Is it worth all the hype that it's getting? If you want to find out, then ensure that you stay tuned to find out the truth about perfect line Swiss. So I went ahead and I bought this product based on numerous reviews that I'm seeing on YouTube, and it's called the Perfect Line Swiss. They come in 5 different shades. It's basically a concealer for lace. Now, is it worth all the hype that it's getting? Ensure that you stay tuned. To melt this, what you need to do is get some boiling water. I have a cup here and I am basically just going to put this in, and I'm going to let it stay in there for 5 minutes. While that's happening, I'm just going to turn the wig over. Oh, I did forget to mention, if you don't want to use the boiling water method, you can actually use your blow dryer to melt the product onto the lace. I did forget to show you what it looks like inside before it's melted. That's what it looks like. I'll show you what it actually looks like when it's melted. After 5 minutes, all you need to do is basically just remove the product, and this is what the product is looking like after you melt it. What you do is just things up. So let's see how this goes. Uh-oh. Well, too much came out, so I'm just going to do this. I'm using the back of my rat tail comb. So after I applied the Perfect Line Swiss, what I'm going to do now is just to flip the wig over. And I'm just, what you see me doing now is basically just blending it out. I'm just going to get my hot comb and go through this. And when you do this by just remember to be careful, because the label did warn that because it is of a wax consistency, that it is a strong possibility that heat might affect the hair. So just be careful not to burn your when using your hot comb. If the product got on the hair, all you need to do is just apply some oil on it, and it will be okay. You have to remember to work fast because this product, it dries very quickly. Now, honey, after applying the Perfect Line Swiss, let me tell you, this is approximately 1 week and 4 days after applying this to my hair, to my lace. And this is what the parting looks like. Isn't that scalp? Like, look at that. Like, look again. Like, anybody can tell me that that's not my real scalp. Like, look at that. And if you want further details on how I applied this hair and where the hair is from, ensure that you check out my next video that's coming out next week, Friday. So ensure that you stay tuned for that.